In this video, I will address a question from one of my students. So, once she had finished the grading process and carefully displayed the seam lines clearly, the resulting seam lines appeared in this manner. See, they're showing up like this, right? But when you leave it at a single size, see, there's no problem, right? But when she displays the various graded sizes on the screen, you can see that it turns out like this. For the first step, let's try updating the seam lines now to see exactly what happens. We'll go to Advanced. We'll go to the Update section. Here, update it. Alright. Now at this point in the process, you should go ahead and choose the option for Adjust Seam Grading. And then in the Edit Seam Property section, we'll manually select the property just like this. First, you will need to select for me in the Edit Seam Property section and carefully check the Seam Extension option. Then, please go ahead and check the Grade Seam Corner option and also make sure to check the Auto Update Seam option to ensure that everything stays completely current. Make sure you check these exactly like this and then click OK. After that, click on the detail, right click and then click OK. There, that's it, right? This is because the seam hasn't been updated for all the sizes yet. And here I'm answering a question from one of the students. If you find yourself interested in enrolling in our comprehensive Gerber software course, we invite you to visit the official PDS Academy website for more details. You can go ahead and click on the courses section. And in this area, you can check out all of the various educational courses currently available through PDS Academy. That's right, you can explore all the courses available at PDS Academy. Now, if you are interested in the Gerber software course, you can click on it and check out all the content listed below for this course. Okay, goodbye everyone. Wishing you all the very best with your successful practice.